Your perfume haunts the morning air. It lingers soft, it's everywhere. The curtains move, the world feels near. But all I see is you still here.
The record spins, the needle cries. The ghost still hums our last reprise. The bed still breathes where you once lay. The scent of you won't drift away.
Your hands once spoke across my skin, like whispered wine, like summer sin. Now silence wears your name so tight, and dreams replay in candlelight.